Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to use the wireless charger and also some options that have, like, change the color of the light when you charge or turn off the wireless charger. This is a feature for 24 or latest models of Hyundai with this ccNC system, and also the ones that have the wireless charger. So as you know, specifically I am in a 25 Hyundai Tucson Preferred Trend. That is my personal car. When you place your phone here, you are going to see how the lights turn on here. That is indicating that your phone is charging. So how you change the color: you go to setup and then go to vehicle and then go to convenience, and then you go in convenience to like this, and then you go to mobile phone wireless charging indicator. Green one is type 2, and when you put type 1, change to orange, as you see. And also if you want to turn off the wireless charging, you just go here and then do like this, and you turn off the wireless charger. So when you place the phone here, you are not going to charge the phone. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.